Step into the 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.